Hello friends, welcome to Savaji. Today we are going to learn cheesy white sauce pasta recipe, one of the favorite dish to kids. Whenever we go to restaurants, they really prefer to have this pastas. So white sauce pasta that is also with cheesy is very favorite to them and very addictable. And pasta in white sauce recipe is very easy to make and rich and delicious, and we can prepare this recipe once a while at home also, so that they'll enjoy at home. And the mother prepare anything at home that is also restaurant food at home, they really enjoy it. So we try to learn it and prepare the cheesy white sauce pasta. We'll see the ingredients required. We need a 3/4 cup pasta, one small carrot peeled and chopped fine, and half onion chopped, and half green bell pepper chopped fine, and half tomato chopped, and half tablespoon butter. And we also need 1 tablespoon maida, that is all purpose flour, and 1/4 cup milk boiled and cool, and half teaspoon pepper powder, and 1 spoon grated cheese, and 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano or basil, or half teaspoon chili flakes, and salt to taste. And now coming to the preparation, boil the water, and in that add little salt, pinch of salt you can add, and after that add a little drop of oil, and then add the pasta and cook till they become tender. Keep the lid so that they cook very fast. In between roll the pasta so that you can check whether it is cooked or not. You can check with the fork if it is cooked tender or not. And after that keep the pasta under running water and set aside. Now heat half tablespoon butter in a pan and add the chopped vegetables. First here I'm adding onions. It is optional. If you like then only you add, and after that add remaining that is the carrot, capsicum and tomato, everything into pan, and toss them and cook them till they cook half cooked is very preferable for pastas. And keep them in plate, and now again take butter in pan, melt it, and add 1 tablespoon maida, that is all purpose flour, and whisk very well. And after that add 1/4 cup boiled and cool milk. Keep whisking in a low flame. The mixture will start to thicken. At this stage add chili flakes, pepper powder, salt and oregano, and keep whisking till the sauce further thickens and turns smooth. And after that add the sauteed vegetables and mix well. I prefer to add the vegetables first so that the flavors of sauce will be taken by the vegetables, so the taste well. And after that add the boiled pasta to the prepared white sauce. Mix well and add some more dried herbs if needed. And now the turn to important key ingredients, that is cheese. Yes, add generous grated cheese and mix well again. Yum yum. And make sure that there are no lumps in white sauce, and you can serve the topped with the grated cheese, and you can any dried herb or even mixed pasta spice instead of oregano. And so cheesy white sauce pasta is very much ready, so serve hot, and kids really love it. In this white sauce pasta we have added vegetables different colored, and you can also add as per your choice, colored bell peppers and green peas or mushroom, whatever you like you can add. And baby corns also, yes, baby corns, broccoli cloves, you can add. And the key for making perfect white sauce pasta is making perfect white sauce, and without vegetables also it tastes very well. And make sure to do to the whole preparation in low flame and use boiled and cool milk. After adding milk, make sure that you keep stirring the sauce until it turns thick and smooth. And if you want to do add cheese in your white sauce recipe, add it towards the end and switch off the flame once you add the cheese. So this is how we make white sauce pasta, a delightful lunch or dinner that toddlers and kids will adore. And you can use whole wheat pasta, but the flour used in white sauce cannot be replaced with the wheat, it is better to eat this in moderation and once in a while. So this is for today, and I hope you like to watch this video, and thank you for watching. And we will be sharing the different varieties of pastas in coming videos, and so keep watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.